Hello, everyone. So welcome to our webinar here today. We will be talking about 3ds Max for game development. We have a great game studio out in the UK who will be talking to us about a game they're building right now. Honestly, I'm going to tell everyone who's attending here today, I saw the content last week. My head exploded and my eyes started bleeding. It's the beautiful stuff that they're going to show. It's beautiful stuff from the game, but it's also freaking awesome workflows they're going to show in Max. I'm really excited. A diehard Max fan, as I'm assuming a lot of you folks attending here are here today, to see Max being used in these really creative ways is really impressive.